What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. We just stay here, do it. Today we will do some marble slice cake, marble slice cupcake. So just stay tuned and just check out the video. Peace. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Join the Soulfly fam.
Cook water. No. Okay. 16 table. Probably for you.
Egg de bewano?
4 egg separated now. Just joking. 4 egg. Alright. 2 egg to 1 8 each. Baking tin. 1 to 12 cupcake. And we have the 24 cupcake. Alright, so we are going to beat 1 egg at a time. We are going to beat the 4 egg 1 at a time. Stop. Alright, so in the last egg, you know.
That one, 2 more egg. No milk?
Then we are gonna add the milk and lime juice, vanilla, our little flavor, almond. Half of the milk.
Nika pass that. Nika pass.
We'll pour half of the milk in the water. Now we're gonna add in our spice.
You're not using more of this?
Not yet. Alright. Now we got our rose water and almond. Say about 3 tablespoons. 3 teaspoons, not tablespoons. Vanilla. Alright, we're gonna use 4 teaspoon vanilla. 4 tablespoon vanilla.
Turn the viewfinder. Turn to John. Turn the viewfinder to John. Yeah, turn.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, let me go. Yeah.
I'm not shake so. I'm nervous.
Nerviness.
I'll come here look for me.
Alright, now we're gonna do the cut and fold method. Yeah, we can either do that as I told you in my videos before. Either we do that method or we can use the hand mixer same way. But we are work with the
As usual.
long time method. Cut and fold. Gradually chew on the flour. Cut and fold. Cut and fold. Yeah. So
The big saw actually. Pause.
now so fly fam, we're gonna grease our baking tin. This is a 8-inch baking tin. But I use butter or you can use the oil and then we're gonna dust it with the flour. Simple look of flour and dust it. And we're gonna do the same thing to the cupcake thing. Cause when I work with a cupcake liner now. Yeah. And then to get the marble slice texture now, either we're gonna use chocolate and vanilla. But today we're just gonna use different colors to get that marble slice.
Uncle George, the cupcake door.
Yeah, I know we're at the finished product. This is after 35 minutes in the oven. This is our finished product. For the cupcake, it will be 15 minutes in the oven. So this is the texture that we got. And yes, it is as delicious as it looks. That's my marble slice cake. And now we're gonna show you the cupcakes. Alright. Our next video will be banana bread. So look out for it. Yeah man, so fly fam. Thanks you for making it life of a Jamaican chef today. Anyways, we're out. Peace. Love ya.